Oh, stepping right in it, bruh. All right, ready? Oh, you already recording? Oh, damn. Okay. Hey, a lot of you guys will be pleased to know that we are back on the 1970 GMC, getting this motor freshened up. All new gaskets and seals are going in this thing, getting it nice and clean, and we'll get it put back together, and then we'll start installing it into the truck after that. So here we go. All right, now that we've got the bolts, all the head bolts cleaned up on the wire wheel, you can see what they used to look like. That's the other side here. They're all nice and clean now. It's really not recommended to reuse these, but we're going to go ahead and reuse them anyway. This is a budget build. I mean, I'm talking shoestring budget. It's not a real high horsepower engine or anything like that. So I've done it that way for years. I've never had an issue with it. But, you know, if you were running more horsepower, things like that, then of course you go ahead and replace the All right, we're going through our torque sequence on here. I looked it up on the internet just to be sure, and we just follow this sequence. You want to do this in 3 steps. You go through the whole sequence 3 times, start off with like 25 foot-pounds, and then maybe go up to like 40, and then you want to end around 65, 70 pounds. We're on our 3rd round now. We've already done the first 2. We're at 70 pounds now. We're going to go through the sequence. Keeping my phone right here just to make sure I don't mess up. make sure you clean your surfaces really good, get all the oil off before we put our new gasket in place. That's all I'm doing here. Just a little lacquer thinner on a rag. Ought to do the job okay. All right, there you have it, guys. Just a budget little, not even a rebuild. We're just going through and just putting all new gaskets and seals in it because it leaked pretty bad. I mean, it was leaking from everywhere pretty much. But she's good to go now. Got a little more cleaning up to do on it, and then we're gonna come in and give it a fresh coat of paint. And while we're on the subject, what color do you guys think I should paint this thing? Leave me a comment and let me know. I'm thinking black, but I know a lot of you guys, you know, you're gonna want that Chevy orange, maybe even, I don't know, a red, something like that. A lot of different colors will look good once we get the chrome accents on it. So you guys leave me a comment, let me know. We'll be dropping this motor into that 1970 GMC before too long. We want to get in there, clean up that engine bay, get it all painted. We're going to go with like a semi-gloss black. It ought to look really good. We'll do all that before we drop this motor in, so stay tuned for that. That's coming up very shortly. Don't forget to hit up my Instagram. We'll put a link in the description, and don't forget to like the video. Hey, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm talking too much. See you guys on the next one. Appreciate y'all watching.